guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we have a special guest today. This is my sister, Hannah. And so today we're going to be doing the Blindfolded makeup challenge where I'm going to be blindfolded and doing my sister's makeup. Now there's like a second kind of challenge to this. So Hannah picked out a bunch of her makeup from her makeup drawers, as well as she's going to be picking out some of my palettes here pretty soon, so I don't know anything that she picked out or the palette she's going to pick out for her eyes. I did pick out a few products myself, but it's going to be a challenge seeing hers and what we come up with. So yeah, let's just do this. So I'm going to be blindfolding myself, and then Hannah's going to be taking her products and mixing them in with mine because I already saw what I put on the table, but
I was watching myself that whole time. I didn't realize it. I wasn't like looking at the camera or whatever.
Can we start?
Go for it.
Are we good? Okay.
You're gonna like fall out of your chair.
How much further does this go?
That's it. That's it.
Oh,
That's
okay.
as far as it goes. Push everything forward.
Oh. No, that's a spray. This is primer water.
You think you've never used it? How are you gonna know what it smells like?
It smells like water. Where's your face? This is a primer. Where's the nozzle? Where'd you put foundation? This is a foundation. This is Maybelline. No, this isn't. This is Fit Me. She put them down. She's a little sneaky sneak. Alright, so here's the squirter. That didn't feel like a full pump. Okay, we're just gonna... Okay.
That's a sucky pump.
This is your cheek. Why do you feel so oily? Blend this in. We're gonna get the neck, yes, yes. Okay. I just want you to be flawless.
I'm gonna have to wash my hair now. I'm just going to get hair. You went on like my whole head.
Okay, I think that looks
Honestly.
blended. Oh shoot, now concealer. This is a concealer. No, it's not. Why is everything a lipstick?
Because you put like 700. You ask like I can answer.
That smells concealery. Okay. No.
Ow!
Wait, I'm sorry.
Stabbing me with it.
I think I got some on your nose earlier. I don't really nose. We're just gonna give that a good blend in, because Lord knows where that ended up.
Amen.
It came here. If not, we're just blending extra good, okay? Ah! Where is it? I hope the powder's right there. Okay, close your eye. This could be bad. I think I'm getting it. Am I doing good?
I can't say anything.
This is good. I can feel it in my bones. Oh.
That's it. Just one stamp.
Alright. Swirly swirl. This is your cheekbones, and this is your ear. I'm gonna place it right there. That felt really wrong. Cheekbone. Ear. Oh, I got something in my mouth.
Join the club.
Sorry. Okay. Oh, that was your ear. Okay, I think this is the contour palette because there's two sides to it. Okay. Chisel the cheek. Oh, no. No. Oh, no. It's fine. It's fine. We'll blend it all out and make it seamless. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Blush brush. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's your cheek. Okay, blush. This is so much harder than it looks. Oh. Where's the brush? Okay, alright. Now we need brows. Oh! Okay. Can I see for this part? No. But I don't know what I did. Oh! Oh no!
Pick my nose for me.
Now we're gonna line the top. I forgot to do that. Where is the pencil? Oh no! Oh, that was wrong.
That was wrong.
Okay, we're gonna fill in the brow now. You really can't see anything?
I see. There's a mirror behind me.
This is scary because I don't know if this is mascara. Am I touching your face?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta find your brow. Oh. Yeah, okay. That was good. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I just got that in your brow. Not that your brows look good, If I'm not mistaken, this feels like the Kathleen Lights palette. Brush going. Okay. Okay. This is gonna be your crease color. We're just gonna get that in the crease a lot, you know? Alright, get that in the crease. And get it going. And this is the peachy shade. We're gonna just put this in your crease too. There's a blue in this palette that felt like a shimmer. There's blue somewhere. I think it's this one. Okay, so this is our blue. And we're gonna take this blue. We're gonna pack it on the eyelid. Okay. I don't think this is... Where is... No! No! I don't think this is blue! We can't just have a blue eye, so... Wait, is it blue? I don't know! And we're gonna add some color to the look. I think there's a dark shade. It's like almost brown. This is it. This is it. This is it. This has to be it. Deepen up the outer V. Just a little bit with this dark shade. Okay, I think that's over. It's over for us. Okay, I know what this is. This is the Physicians Formula liquid liner. Oh god. Where's the tip? Oh, dear Jesus, please don't let me stab her. Please let the eyeliner turn out pretty. Alright, so this is gonna be complicated.
I'm closing my eyes.
How am I supposed to do this?
I don't know, figure it out. You're so scary. I want you killing my eye.
Can you like...
No.
Okay. We're done. I think it's a lip thing.
I'm not opening my mouth. Where did that go?
Okay. Oh no. Okay. It's over for us. Alright, okay. Can I take it off?
Go for it.
Well,
You were doing so good on the face. Besides putting half the product in my hair, like the bronzer and everything, like, it was pretty good.
I can't get over it.
I look like Hitler.
It looks like I tried to take the eyeliner and do like a cut crease with eyeliner. Like, look at it. Oh my god.
Wait, let me just get like a mirror right here or something.
See?
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Yeah, that wasn't blue. It was pink. And then blue.
What is this? What is that? How did that get there? Oh, I'm sure. Oh, it's all over my hands.
I have to wash my hair now.
You know, I was expecting maybe something decent. We'll do a zoom in on her close face. And we'll see how horrible I did. Overall, what we learned from this is that it is much harder than it looks, and you look like a clown. Oh my gosh.
I'm terrifying.
It is so much harder than it looks. Hannah was actually saying, you could probably see from clips earlier, that it looks way easier than it is. So we'll have her do this to me sometime soon, and she can see how hard it is. Thanks for being on my channel. Sorry for poking you in the face and making you look like a sad clown.
Putting half the product in my hair.
I'm sorry, it's harder. Like, what is all this? Is that your brow pencil?
To be fair though, you did put the brow mascara where you put the brow pencil. It wasn't exactly on my eyebrows, but it was in the same spot.
Okay guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. And if you... And if you like seeing Hannah on my channel, make sure and leave a comment and tell us what videos she should come in next and if she should do my makeup blindfolded. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this. It means a lot to me. And make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Hit that like button. And I hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are. And I will see you in my next video. Bye! I'm so sorry. I'm just so sorry.